It's clear to me that from what I've seen in the executives who were here and the visits that I had, that the people of Saudi Arabia are on the precipice of great changes beyond what anyone can imagine. I think when people come to Saudi Arabia, they are of course impressed by the physical grandeur, the buildings, the projects, the vastness, but the people have a forward-looking view of life and of possibilities that I think sets them apart. In fact, I, over the years, have had the good fortune of having many Saudi students, and they have been exemplary contributors, explaining the way that innovation can happen in ways that change economies into directions we would never guess. Yes, it's clear to me that the executives here in Saudi Arabia are world class. I think, therefore, that the organizations coming from the Saudi economy can compete on the world stage.